OpenAI officially released their WhatsApp chat feature for ChatGPT, and now you can just get response through your WhatsApp to ChatGPT directly. You don't have to get any kind of subscription. You can do it completely free. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it. So if you check my description, you can get this link here. You will get all the details about this offer. And this is the QR code. You can directly scan this QR code or just save this number to your contact, and then you can just message them. So let me show you how to do it. So as you can see, I'm inside my WhatsApp and I have saved this number. This is said chat gpt and this is their number, plus 1-800-242-8478. So this is their number and this is about the chat gpt. So as you can see what it can do, it can do all kind of things like research, editing, Photoshop, and any kind of editing thing you need. And it can also give you access to the premium. You can link your this to your main ChatGPT account and you can also get response here. So let me try one and let's see how it works. So let me see how it works. So I just tell ChatGPT WhatsApp to generate me a cat photo. So as you can see, the photo have arrived and this is the generated photo inside the ChatGPT WhatsApp. So I just ask a simple question inside the WhatsApp using this text message and let's see what kind of response this generate and how much time it take. So as you can see, there is no single best day as I asked a funny question. So as you can see, you just need to save this number to your contact list and you can then get simple response through your WhatsApp just using ChatGPT, and you can connect your personal WhatsApp Pro ChatGPT through this chat and you can then just get response through this. So that's it guys. I hope you understand how to use the ChatGPT using your WhatsApp. So thank you for watching and I'll see you guys on next video.